Hi, I'm Ari. I love artichokes, but there's a lot of parts of them that you can't really eat. So, not only am I going to be making nachos today, I'm going to show you how to transform those scraps into something very valuable. Usually I steam the artichoke before taking off the petals, but this recipe by Lindsay Jean Hard calls for taking the petals off first. The scientific name for the artichoke is Cynara cardinunculus. Legend has it that Zeus created the artichoke because he found a beautiful woman bathing on the beach named Cynara, and he decided to take her to Mount Olympus and make her a goddess. But she was sad because she missed her family and she'd go and visit them. And Zeus became very jealous about this, and he cast her down from Mount Olympus and turned her into an artichoke. You know, as you do when you like someone and they want to spend time with their family instead of you. This fuzzy bit is the choke because you can choke on it, and we're gonna scoop this out because this is not edible. This is the heart of the artichoke. And then I'm gonna peel the stem of the heart because then you can eat it. I sorted out all the petals for my nachos and then all the artichoke scraps. Artichokes are actually thistles, and they are essentially flower buds that haven't bloomed yet. Now we're gonna steam the petals and the hearts. Let it steam until the tips are tender, about 10 minutes. Now for the toppings. First, we're gonna cut up some cilantro, some serrano chilies, and now I'm gonna make an aioli. I'm gonna start with a garlic clove. Mincing, and you add salt, and chop some more, and you gotta smash it. Then you put it in the bowl. Now I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon, and then a 1/3 cup of vegan mayonnaise. And I'm gonna stir it. And I'm gonna crumble some vegan feta that has olives in it.
Do you spend those precious bedtime moments thinking about your food waste and how it's off-gassing methane in our landfills, leading to complete global catastrophe? I know I don't. So today I'm gonna take the food scraps we created and I'm just gonna put them right in. Put them right in the blender. Take the food scraps, put them in the blender. Then we're gonna add a little bit of blend juice. In this case, we have all this great liquid from steaming our artichokes. There we go. Perfect. This is gonna become worm food. So this is our compost tumbler.
To make compost, you add your greens, in this case food scraps.
And you add your browns, like leaves and twigs and stuff. And then you give it a nice spin, and another nice spin, and another nice spin, and you're done for the day.
When the compost is done, it looks like chocolate cake.
That's a worm.
And then we use it to grow food. Waste becomes food as nature intended. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375. Now we're gonna assemble the nachos. I don't even know if they could be called nachos. Nachos were invented in 1943 by Ignacio Anaya, or Nacho, in Piedras Negras, a small Mexican city. I'm not sure what Nacho would think of these nachos, but hopefully they're good. Now I'm gonna crumble the feta onto our little artichokes. Now we're gonna bake these for 3 minutes. It definitely doesn't taste like nachos, but I think it is a dressed up version of your normal artichoke. If you like olives, I think you'd like this because it's very salty. Our remaining food waste for the compost. And eventually I'll have the trash from these, but I'm not done with them yet. That really is a lot of flavor.
I like it.
You do?
It's good.
And obviously don't forget to eat the hearts Dip them in butter, that's the best part.